Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321 in 1/200 scale. Now this model is a nice snap fit kit that you can put together really easily with no glue required, which I will demonstrate for you in a moment. But first let's have a quick look at the box. As you can see, we have an image of the plane. This is an image of the real plane flying with the exact registration of the plane inside, and on the side we have Jet2 Holidays, Airbus A321, obviously the airline and model of the plane, and then the dimensions of a real A321. Let's open up the box and have a look at the actual model itself. And here we have the wings and stabilizers, the fuselage of the plane, and finally, the display stand it comes with. Now let's start with the fuselage of the plane. As you can see, all the parts will just snap really easily onto the plane. So let's start with the wings. Take them both out of the package, like so. Take the fuselage and just give it a bit of a push. And like that, in a matter of seconds, the wings are nicely attached to the plane, looking really nice already. Now moving on to the tail of the plane, we have the stabilizers with the horizontal and vertical. You can see 3 pieces here. Starting with the vertical, just give it a bit of a push into the top. And there you have it. And then the horizontal ones, and as you can see, they've got little letters to tell you which side it is meant to go on. So L for left, and then R for right. And that is also on the wings, but with the wings, it's much more obvious which side they should be going on. And there you have it. The Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321 in a lovely 1/200 scale. Now let's have a nice quick look at the details of this plane. Let's start on the wings. As you can see, we've got all the nice markings for the flaps and ailerons of the plane. And then at the wingtip, which you can see, it has the blended wingtips of the A321, or they're known as sharklets. You can also see the nice detailed little jet engines we've got here. The turbine inside, looking really nice from behind as well. And of course, it's the same on both wings, looking really nice. And of course, the accurate printing on them as well. If we turn to the underside, you can see same level of detail across it. Still got the markings for all the different things the wing would traditionally have. Now moving on to the stabilizers, you can see the elevators, and there we go, the rudders on the stabilizers themselves. But now the most key detail on this plane is the really nice, really clear printing of the Jet2 Holidays livery on it. As you can see, we've got big, bold written here, Jet2 Holidays, package holidays you can trust. Of course, the tagline they use. Of course, the registration of this plane, which here is G-HLYF, which is really nicely written. Very clear. Of course, this is all very, very clearly printed. Like, you can really make it really, really legible. And then, of course, moving on to the tail, you can see the big sun on the stabilizers. Of course, it's a Jet2 Holidays plane, a nice sun vibe to make it a very holiday-themed plane in general. Of course, looking at it from the cockpit, it's looking really, really cool. Of course, this model doesn't have any landing gear, but it does have this little hole here for a display stand, which is made up of these 2 parts here. And it says Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321. You just put the 2 pieces together like so. Just clip in, give it a push. And there you go, you've got a little display stand, which you can then place your plane onto, which you just push it in like so. Little click, and you can display your Jet2 Holidays Airbus A321 really, really easily. And let's get into a little about the Airbus A321. Now, this is a narrow-body twin-jet airliner, as you can see from the two engines, and is part of the Airbus A320 family of short to medium-range planes. And the Airbus A320 family themselves are the best-selling and most delivered family of planes ever. So this is one of the most successful airliners in history. Now, the A321 itself was the first derivative or model based from the Airbus A320, and it had a stretched fuselage, so a longer body, compared to the original A320. Now, the A321 itself began production all the way back in 1992, and the production for the original A321 ended production in 2021, but the A321neo still remains in production today, but this is one of the older ones, or they often refer to them as the CEOs, rather than the NEOs, so the CEO and NEO. Now, this specific plane, the registration of G-HLYF, is still active to this day with Jet2 holidays. So you may see this plane flying around. If you're going on your holidays, you may fly on it yourself. It's a good chance you may spot it. So it's a really nice little piece for anyone who may have been on this plane, is going on a Jet2 holidays plane, you know, or just a fan of, say, the Airbus A321. So overall, it's a really nice little piece. And this plane entered service with Jet2 back in 2020, but first entered service back in 2015 with a different airline, and has been flown for a couple of different airlines for over its lifespan, but currently sticks with Jet2 holidays and has been for about 5 years. Now, going back to the model itself, it has a wingspan of about 17.9 centimeters, so quite a nice range, or 7 inches, and is about 22.2 centimeters long, or 8.7 inches. Overall, it's a really nice little collector's piece, or display piece for anyone who is a fan of, say, the Jet2 holidays livery, someone who may have been on this plane, as it is a holiday plane, so a lot of people will be flying on Jet2 holidays this year, and most years, I would imagine. So overall, it's a really, really nice really nice piece, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.